Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to dark mode Gmail. So as you can see here, my Gmail on my device, the current theme is light theme, and I'm going to change it into a dark mode or dark theme, and then I'm going to show you how. So what you need to do is click on the three horizontal lines at the top, and then scroll down until you find the settings menu, and then tap on the settings menu and go to the general settings, and you'll see the theme option at the top. Just click on that, and then here there are three options: light, dark, and then system default. So if you want to use system default, you can just click on it, and then the system will automatically choose the theme for you. But if you want to only use the dark mode, just click on dark, and then you can just go back and it will change into black like this. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video is helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.